Now I'm going to teach you step 5 of Rubik's Cube. The target is to complete 4 crosses on the 4 sides. Remember step 3? We have done first 2 layers, so the remaining task is to place the top edges correctly. And in previous step 4, we have done yellow cross. So now we only need to exchange some yellow edges to complete 4 crosses, like this. First, we need to set up correct starting position. Then I will teach you Jesus' life recipe, which will exchange 2 yellow edges on the J shape. And therefore, we need to put 1 pair on the J shape and correct pair around this top layer. So as you can see, for this one, this is one color, but we have this right color and this one. Okay, we don't have another right color, but I will show you later. Then we do this Jesus' life recipe. You may say, Jesus, how can I remember so many moves? No worries. Jesus' stories will help you memorize easily. First, because Jesus sits on the right side of God and always insists doing things on the right side of God. So all the arrows, all the moves are related to the right side. For up and down, always use right hand. For turning top layer, always turn right. So we may ignore the more complicated box diagrams and just look at the simplified arrows. And we are making 4 crosses, and each of these 4 lines looks like drawing the strokes of the cross. First, the vertical line, and then the horizontal. And the pattern is quite symmetric except the third, which will be explained later. You may say, now I know it is all about right side, but I'm confused about when it's up or down. Well, think about the life of Jesus. The first move must be down, because Jesus came to the world to be born as a baby. Then it is up, because it's Jesus' miracles and works coming together. But on the third night, it is down, because Jesus was put on the cross and died. You may notice that the third arrow on the third line is exceptional in this pattern, because Jesus came to life again on the third day after death. So of course, we all see it as very good and right thing, and hence this extra right arrow. Finally, Jesus went up to the heaven, and so it is up arrow. So let's do it. Remember, we have to put correct edges around the right corner. And first, we need to find 2 edges matching the centers of the side. And quickly look at this. Only blue is matched. In this case, we try to match the color of the opposite sides, that is green. Because when you turn the top layer, you are guaranteed to at least match one color of a side. And after this move, look again. Now we can have 2 correct edges at the top. And remember to put it around the top right corner at the front. So it is the correct starting position. Do not hold like this or that. It must be this way. This correct should be on around the right corner. And now we do Jesus' life recipe. Down, right, up, right, down, right, right, up, and down, and right. And so look at this. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And this is correct. So it's done. And let's have another tricky case. For example, this one. Let's check the colors. This is matched. This not. And this not. In this case, because the two correct colors are on the opposite, no matter how you turn, you cannot have two neighboring sides correct because it's on the opposite. So what to do? We just need to do Jesus' life recipe one more time. So Jesus' life recipe. And then we check whether we have two colors matched for the edge. Well, just one color match. So we try to match the opposite of this, which is red. This match, and look at the neighboring. We have now two neighboring correct edges and place them around the right corners and do Jesus' life recipe again. Nope, matched, 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 matched. So it's done.